Hi, it's Peter from Brainwave. The company shape analysis tool allows you to quickly sift through all the stocks in the market and find ones that have matched some key financial metrics. First, you'll notice the tool has loaded up about 40,000 stock symbols. Keep an eye on that number and see how it drops as we focus in on the stocks we're interested in. In this particular example, I'm interested in gold stocks on the US stock market. Since I'm interested in US stocks, I'll enter in NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange into the selected markets. And you can see it automatically asks the next question. I'll put basic materials as my sector, and then gold as the industry I'm interested in. Alright, a lot just happened, so let me walk you through a few key things. First, let me scroll to the bottom of the page, and you can see we've already narrowed things down to 28 stock symbols. Scrolling back up, you can see the quarter selector. This allows me to pick what financial quarters I want to consider in my analysis. Let's look at 2020 Q1 to 2024 Q1. Alright, now that I drag the slider to pick the range I'm interested in, let's look at the ratios listed here below. These are a bunch of key financial metrics listed. All the values are median values. I'm going to set the lower bounds for return on equity and return on assets to be 0. I'll do that by adjusting these sliders. What this means now is that I'm looking for stocks which have a median return on equity and return on assets that is greater than 0. Some quarters it might be negative, but generally they will all be positive. Now down below you can see a tab for each stock symbol that has passed our filtering. Here you can dive into detailed charts, examining the historical values of the ratios to see if it is a good stock or not. However, there's still too many stocks listed here, so let's go and slowly crank up the current ratio to exclude some of the stocks which are strapped for cash. As I move this slider, you can see the stocks shown below slowly dwindle as more get filtered out. Perfect. Now I can quickly tab through and view historical details of these stocks. I can even view a chart full screen, or even go and download an image of the chart which I might use when writing a report. So as you can see, the company shape analysis tool allows you to quickly filter stocks to find ones you're interested in, all based on real data from financial reports. If you're interested in seeing more free stock analysis tools or see what new thing we're cooking up, check us out at brainwave.com. And if you have any questions or comments, send them my way at peter@brainwave.com.